Welcome to Exotic Spices. Let's cook. Today we'll be making biryani. Here are your ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. This is where you can choose your own preference. Could be canola, veggie, or coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili, 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, 2 tablespoons of biryani paste or powder, 2 onions or 3 if small ones, cut in half and chopped sideways for long slices, 3 cups of cooked long grain rice, 2 cups of chopped chicken, 1 chopped green pepper, 2 large or 3 small chopped tomatoes, 2 chopped white potatoes or 3 small ones. Please note potatoes are preference, so you can choose to add or not add in the biryani. Half cup chopped cilantro. First, pour in your oil. Next, pour in your onions and let it cook until slightly golden brown. Add in garlic, turmeric, chili, and biryani paste. And mix until well blended. Add tomatoes and mix, then let it cook for a minute or so while stirring once or twice in between. Pour in your chicken, lemon juice, oyster sauce, and mushroom sauce, and sprinkle some salt. Now mix it until well blended. Let it cook for 5 minutes with stirring in between. Add potatoes. Cook it for approximately 8 minutes with stirring in between to make sure it's nice and saucy still. And lower the heat a bit. If starts to look dry, add some water, half a cup if needed, to maintain saucy. Add in your green pepper and mix. Cook for another 5 minutes or until you can easily put a fork through your potatoes. Pour in your cilantro and half bowl of rice. Mix until blended. Add in the rest of rice. And mix well until completely blended. Taste to see if more salt is required, then turn off your stove. Leave the pot there for 5 minutes before it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.